HopZine.com. Thanks for joining me for another video beer review. This time something I'm very excited to be drinking again. It's a bottle of Belching Beaver's Peanut Butter Flavoured Milk Stout. 5.3% ABV from Vista, California in San Diego. So, got this online at Ales by Mail. It's, when I was in California earlier this year, when I was at the Pete's Spot Carlsbad bottle shop, the guy who ran that said this was a big seller for them. I actually drank it over the road from Pete's Spot Carlsbad at this pub, this bar called, I think it's like 83 degrees, something like that. 38 degrees, something like that. And it was very good. I've had it a number of times since. This is my second order of this beer because I really like it. So beer in the glass, not quite black. I'd say it's very dark brown with a slightly kind of chestnut edge to it. I don't know if you can see through that, but just around the bottom there is a hint of that. Head, just give it a whip so you can generate a bit more head. Yeah, quite a fizzy mid-brown head. So let's check out the aroma. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah. I shared a bottle of this with some friends, a bottle share. Stuart Pickard, Ginger Ale Trails, has hit the nail on the head. Peanut butter ice cream, big time. It's kind of chocolate shavings, cocoa powder. There's coconut in there, definitely. Loads of vanilla. Obviously peanut butter. But there's something that reminds me of like tiramisu. It's got a lovely coffee and chocolate, slightly kind of cakey edge. But yeah, it's so lovely. It's the kind of beer that you can just sniff all day long. It's ridiculous. With a relatively fragrant but also sweet aroma. I love it. Let's dive in. Cheers. Oh, it's beautiful. I like Milk Stout. I mean, as a style, I mean, it is relatively thin-bodied, but I mean, that's no bad thing. It's 5.3% ABV, so you're not expecting a big full-bodied beer. The flavour's beautiful. Lovely dark malt character with a very nicely placed amount of sweetness. Yeah. Obviously peanut butter is the prominent flavour in there. Definitely getting a nice milky edge, kind of a vanilla milkshake. Once again, it's something like coconut cake in a weird way. Yeah, drinking chocolate. Oh, it's so beautiful. So damn drinkable, it's ridiculous. One of my favourite beers of 2014. Simple beer, but lovely amount of all the flavours that they're promising. It's cakey, it's definitely got loads of peanut butter going on there, it's kind of like vanilla. It's a lovely stout in itself as well, because it has all the earmarks what you'd expect from a stout. With that chocolate and coffee. But a lovely amount of kind of sweet vanilla, coconut, peanut butter obviously. Absolutely lovely. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It's kind of a beer that you shouldn't pour too much into one glass. You should sup it in no time. I think it's an absolute stunner. So this is available on Ales by Mail. If you haven't gone on there and picked it up, it's one of the beers that, as I said, I experienced over in California, which is one which I didn't bring back and I really wish I had. So I'm so excited that this is available in the UK. It's something different, something really special. Belching Beaver Peanut Butter Flavoured Milk Stout, 5.3% ABV from Vista, California. Lovely stuff indeed. I'm a big fan. I'm Rob from HopZine.com. See you next time. Cheers.